Guys, the market isn't as easy as it used to be. Why? Well, we're seeing more volatility than ever before, with things like geopolitical tensions, rate cuts, and the US elections on the horizon. This is unfortunately the new normal. In times like these, trading can feel like walking through a minefield. But here's the thing, where there's chaos, there's opportunity, if you have the right tools. Now, which tools am I talking about? Well, that's where our partner and sponsor Kraken Pro comes in. They have a bunch of new features that can give you the edge you need. And in this video, I'll walk you through all of them so you can start using them to navigate this market. Okay, so I'm in my Kraken Pro dashboard and there's a bunch of new features that I want to touch on, but I think it makes sense to group all of them into two main categories. The first of which I call fast trading tools. So this is like your right-click trading and one-click trading features, which lets you react super quickly during times of high volatility. So the benefit here is speed and efficiency, right? Like when things are moving very quickly, getting your trade in quickly can mean the difference between, say, a 2% gain and a 10% gain. So that's why these are important. So let me just show you, okay? For the right-click trading, you can literally just right-click on this and set limit and stop orders directly on the price chart. So like sell limit, and then it auto fills the form, and then you can press the sell. Or if you're putting it below, like let's say I want to set a buy limit at this resistance point, and then it switches to buy automatically. Just so seamless and so efficient for you. The point here is that it's convenient and you can visualize your trades better rather than having to like look at the amount, remember the amount, and then type it in yourself. This also means that trades are more accurate because you can have these visual cues, and these help you not make mistakes when you like go in and type a specific level that you want. But another cool part about right-click trading is that you can also set price alerts. Like I want BTC to create alert, and boom, done. It's right here. It just showed up. So that's right-click trading. Now for one-click trading, if you go to add widget, there's a new one-click trading that you can add. But instead of putting it here and cluttering this up, there's also a preset in the drop-down, one click right here. And basically it allows you to place market or limit orders with one click. And as you can imagine, this gives you unparalleled speed when it comes to executing your trade. Like you can do several sells, several buys, all in consecutive order faster than you could if you were just typing in a regular form and sending it in. And then another thing is that you can customize the order quantity and other aspects, and you can even do it with margin trading if your account is eligible for that. So like let's say we want to do like Arbitrum at 100 USD chunks. You could buy or sell at those chunks. I'm not going to do it with my real funds, but you can see how easy it is. Just press buy. And actually, let me buy some SOL. Why not? 150 USD. Buy. Market buy. Boom. You see how simple and quick the process is? But anyhow, this is the first group of features all about fast and reactive trading. But in the second group of features, which I personally like even more, is all about learning and analytics. For example, let me go back to my layout. They have, if you go to add widget and click on analytics, they have 11 new analytics widgets that show us all type of analytics data, like aggressor ratio, funding rate, future spaces, liquidation volume, super useful stuff, right? These all offer real time. Let me just drag and drop one in here. Like, see, now we can start seeing the, let's go daily right here. Let me change this to BTC USD. This all offers real-time updates, and there's a lot of customization you can do. But the point is, these are useful for all types of trading strategies. You can use these analytics to help you with day trading, swing trading, arbitrage, and other different strategies. And the benefit here is that you can gain a deeper understanding of the markets you are trading with data that a lot of other platforms and exchanges do not let you see. Like the future spaces, if you're trading perpetual futures, for example, this would be amazing to see and can help you decide whether you want to go long or short on a certain market. But yeah, based on which ones you want to see, you can drag and drop and add it in. Like now I have both volume and volatility here. So just make you a smarter trader. Now, another really clutch new feature they have is this technical analysis widget. I'm just going to drag and drop it right here. This offers real-time signals for 22 technical analysis, oscillators, and moving averages. And the idea is that you can use these to detect oversold or overbought conditions and also use them to analyze price trends. So you can customize it for different time periods, like let's say a day. We're looking at BTC USD, by the way, because that's the market we have selected on the top left. And you can see all sorts of stuff, like on crypto Twitter or crypto X, you may see people talk about RSI or MACD, things like that, right? Those are pretty popular metrics. And now you can see them all in one place. You can see the value, you can see the signal, like asset may be oversold, asset may be overbought. There's mixed signals for these ones. You can put your mouse over them and see exactly what they are. Like for example, RSI is the relative strength index. It's a momentum oscillator that gauges price movement strength, helping identify overbought or oversold markets. So instead of having to go to TradingView or some other site for this data, we can have them all in one place. And that's the beauty of this Kraken Pro platform. Super convenient, and just keep informed based on the latest live market data. Now, you may be thinking, okay, these are great, but I don't know what a lot of these different moving averages, oscillators, what they mean, and how to use them, what they do. Well, this next feature is exactly for helping people like you. It's called their product learn content, and you can find it scattered throughout their platform. Like, for example, let's go back to order form. There's so many different order types, right? Like what is an iceberg? What is trailing stop? How do I use it? When do I use it? Take profit limit. What's the difference between that and the other ones, right? Well, click learn more, and they give you a lot of educational content about order types, like iceberg order, for example. Look at this gorgeous illustration, and it tells you it's a buy or sell limit order. It executes your total order quantity in smaller sizes. This is to prevent market impact from the total order quantity being known by other market participants. So what is it good for? What to watch out for? And an example. This is amazing. This is so much knowledge. And after you read these, you'll know exactly what all of them are and when to use them. So you don't have to just do market orders like a newbie. Now, another one is the indicators, right? Like, let's say you're not quite sure what RSI is and how to use it. You can click into that and just read all about it. Like, this is so educational. So even if you didn't know this before, after a few hours or a couple sessions of trading and you checking some of these out, how is it calculated? What parameters can I change? Common pitfalls. You're going to be so much smarter and so much better equipped than ever to take advantage of these features straight within this platform, so you don't have to go learn about it on some other site, and you don't have to go look at the metrics on some other site. It's all in one place. Okay, so I hope this gives you a good idea of all the powerful features that you can use on Kraken Pro. The thing is, this volatility that we're seeing is only going to increase in the coming months. And that's why I really suggest that you sign up now and take advantage of these tools to get that edge. Let me know if you have any questions, and just use my link in the description.